So after 5 years, we will be replacing the battery of my Flydigi Apex 2.
Get ready.
So this is my 5 years old Flydigi Apex 2. I bought it on May 11, 2021. So by the way, this is only sticker. So you have 6 screws here, here, and here, 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 and here. If you move the screws, and we will be using prying tool like this one. It's plastic made. And we gently lift the front face, and here's the battery. I've already made some changes here, and this is the battery, the original battery, and this is the replacement battery. This is only lithium ion battery. This is 650 milliamperes, and this is 550 milliamperes. So by the way, the reason why I am replacing the battery, because the battery is already not doing well since it's been 5 years already. I think this battery will only last maximum of 1 hour continuous playing, and this battery keeps on disconnecting for some time, so I need to replace this battery. So this is the original battery, and let's see if the no, it doesn't, it's not the same size. So this is the original battery, this is the replacement lithium, just a normal lithium ion battery. So comparison and thickness. Okay, so this is 650 milliamp and this is 550 milliamp. So we will be using this, we'll be putting this one to here. So the size of Apex 2 battery is 33 mm, 31 mm, and this is 8 mm. The thickness of this is 8 mm. So 33 by 31 by 8 mm. We will be desoldering this, and we will solder it here so that we can connect this replacement battery to our Apex 2. Replacement battery. I've already soldered it. I will put electrical tape. So I've already put electrical tape, and it's now connected. So let's turn this on, and it's working. You can put the thin double-sided tape here, but in my case I'll be using glue stick. But first I will put some electrical tape here, so I will not put glue stick directly on the battery. And it's now in place. So I need to put some electrical tape here so the wires will not get in the way. So now the wires are out of the way. Let's install back our cover. Make sure it's not, the wires are not getting in the way, and okay, it's already, so it's already on. Let's try it again. On, off, on, off. So double check all the buttons before you screw this. Make sure the buttons are working fine when you press it, and it's working fine. So we will screw this now. Screw back in. So let's double check the back buttons. Back buttons are okay. There's no obstruction when you're pressing it. LB, left trigger, right trigger, it's all okay. The buttons, that's okay. So we've put this front faceplate, and we've successfully replaced the battery of the Flydigi Apex 2. So let's charge it, and it's charging fine. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you like this video and you learned something from this video. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.